This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll first confirm prerequisites and then start the update immediately. Make sure you have at least 20 gigabytes free and a recent backup. Once done, plug into power and use Ethernet for stability. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. If 22H2 appears, click Download and Install. If it doesn't show, don't stop. Move to the next slide to use Microsoft's Assistant to push the update through. Once Windows Update stalls or doesn't list 22H2, you'll use the Windows 10 Update Assistant to force the upgrade. Download and run the Assistant, then accept the license and let it check compatibility. It explains any incompatible drivers. The Assistant downloads the feature pack and prepares the installer. This can take time, so be patient. When prompted, schedule or start the restart. Make sure applications are closed. After the reboot sequence completes, you'll be almost finished. You'll finish the process by confirming the upgrade and resolving common failures. After the final reboot, open Settings, System, about to verify Windows 10, version 22H2. If the update failed or rolled back, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter and check device drivers in Device Manager, then retry the Assistant. If issues persist, use the Media Creation tool to create installation media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.